Hi everybody, welcome to a new series of tutorials on Mela 2 from Nikolozi. So, as the name says, this is the second edition and gosh, it has so many improvements, which is really fantastic. So in this first video, I'm going to give you an introduction, really, playing with some of the presets. And then, of course, in the next videos, which I will do a couple probably, I will explain how the user interface works. I have a number of codes to give away. Please do follow the instruction in the video descriptions. And if you're a subscriber or if you're not subscribed to the channel, and then you can enter the competition. So as you can see, Mela 2 has a completely new interface, a new look, which is really nice. So first of all, here on the left hand side you have different switches where you can turn on and off part of the screen. So for example, on the first one you click, you hide the browsing of the preset, so you can enable or disable, so hide or hide that section. The same on this next section, which is quite unique. This is where you can assign parameters, which dials, which are linked to parameters in the synth itself, which is really great. And then you can click on it and you can rename them and unassign them. And the beauty of this is, of course, you can click on a new one and then you can say unassign that track, replace it with another one which is in this section. So really cool. So let's hide that. This is the main part of the synth, where you see for oscillator, two filters, you have various envelopes, and also low frequency oscillator, which is really nice. Scrolling down, you have your section of effects, and then you have your modulation metrics, which can get really complicated, but which gives you a lot of versatility, really. And this is similar to what you had in the first version of Mela. And of course you have your routine as well there. You can also hide this section as well, so you just click in there, so to give you more space on the screen. And finally you have the keyboard as well, which you can hide if you need so. Right, so let's listen to some of these presets. Let's go to these chorusy leads. Really nice. So let's try this fifth squared. As you can see, you can scroll to the right there and reveal more preset as well. Let's try this power lead. So let's try some pads, for example. These, the first one, the background noise. I like the pads in Mela 2. Really nice. Of course, be careful as you move from one preset to the other, because you will have artifacts. You just quickly straight move to the next configuration. Let's try now probably a more classical one based on so. got a quite significant configuration. Actually, this one is based on a triangle waveform. So let's choose some bass and let's play with some of those. Oh, this is really nice. Let's try this deep pulse. Okay, let's try this big so. Really nice. Let's try some keys now. This Golden Night. Okay, let's try this one called Excited. Notice here you have different effects: distortion, phaser, chorus, flanger and delay. And of course, if you want a reverb, probably you have to add one, but there are lots now, and inside the AUM it's really straightforward anyway. Or even if you use other hosts like Drumble or GarageBand, it's very easy. So let's try another one, Liquid. Okay, let's try this Grey Afternoon. Interesting, very powerful. Okay, and let's try some effects before we close the video. So let's try some basic kick. It is interesting, so you can do that as well if you like, and of course you can check the configuration if you're interested. Cosmic snare. So you can have quite a bit of fun. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of flexibility, very interesting synth, new version from Nikolozi, which is really fantastic. And I see you at the next video where I take you through the interface, which is really straightforward, but at the same time actually quite powerful. So thank you very much. See you at the next video. Bye.